Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just Messenger is stuck on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Messenger and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just go to the settings. In the settings you need to check your internet connection. So if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restart your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power your phone again. So just simply restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your messenger. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write here messenger. And if you see here not open that update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully show the latest updates for your messenger. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.